Hello from Teenager.com. This is Mark Josie. Now, we have been playing around with this gun for a while, the APS CAM870 Shotgun. So in case any one of you own one of these or is curious like, oh, can this shoot slugs and stuff? Okay, let's look at our special ammo today and take a look at what we got. So this is our new creation, the Wiht Slug. What I did was, this is very fun. You see the back, I have a hole here, and the hole is actually for that gas output thingy to stick up. So that's pretty cool. And of course they're not the perfect size, the perfect balance, but it works. Okay, 4.72 grams. Okay, they're all about the same weight because I actually custom cut it. So the good thing is you can just cut them. Okay, and they're all about 4 grams and so. Okay, about 4 grams. 4.6 grams, so that's pretty good, eh? Okay, this is a RAV4 brand rubber ball. They're kind of squishy. Okay? These are what they call the trainings round. They're rubber. And usually they weigh 2.9 to 3 grams each, which simulate the weight of a paintball. This is the first strike round, just a comparison. Whoops! How come it's so heavy? Because my first strike round is glued with some 6mm steel ball bearings, and that's how I get it to be so heavy. So these, as you can see, I put 1 steel ball bearing inside to add the weight. And you can pretty much just like make it any weight you want by adding more steel ball bearings, but I find that 1 is pretty enough. It's heavier than normal rounds and it's deadly enough. This is the adapter for the 88 grams CO2, so we'll be using an 88 grams CO2 today with the charger. Let's charge up the shells and shoot the slugs and see how well they perform. The charger is loaded with the Walther brand 88 gram disposable CO2, and it gives much more pressure and much more power than you think. Trip the shells. Let's repeat. Okay guys, this is the shell with a rubber ball. This is the slug. How you put it in is very simple. Just slide it in like that and it will go in. There goes the slug shot. I'm going to shoot the rubber ball first. Okay, rubber ball, and then I'm going to shoot the slug. So just to chrono it and see the FPS. Okay, let's check it out. Rubber ball, 347 FPS with a 3 gram. Whoa. Wiht slug. .325 FPS with a 4.7 gram ball. That is a lot more energy. Hey guys, here's the slug shot. I'm going to load it one by one. Slug shot can. Let's give it a try. Die, sucker. Loud bang. There goes the target. Oh, you can basically reuse the slug. Hey guys, this is my wax target. Okay, wax target. Wax, wax on wax. Okay guys. Whoa, look at that. I felt the kick. Nice kick. So basically these are the wax and they're shattered. Wiht slug versus the energy drink. Let's try it out, guys. Wax Slug versus Rockstar. Ta-da! Look at that. Here, let's take a look at the can. Wow! Busted through it. Look at that. It went right here, and then out the other. Totally bust through it with ease. As you can see, one layer, and the Wax Slug is here. So it didn't went through all 3 layers though. Wax Slug versus Pumpkin. Wow! Crazy hit. I think that's the hit. Lots of smoke, but not very good penetration on that one. So basically, this is the Wax Slug that is not shot yet. As you can see, this one is not shot yet. Okay, the edge, the rim is a bit cleaner. This one is shot, and you can see the edge is kind of mushroomed a bit. Okay, tiny mushroomed. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and like. Bye-bye.